So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this question for you all. So look at the question. If tan A is equal to n tan B, right, and sin A is equal to m sin B, so then cos square A is equal to dash. Tan A is equal to n tan B and sin A is equal to m sin B, then cos square A is equal to dash. Four options have been given. Clear? Only one option can be correct, right? So I'm starting the solution. You just see carefully. Two equations have been given to us. One is tan A is equal to m tan B, right? This will name it as equation 1, and another one is given sin A is equal to m sin B. Equation 2, we will name it as equation 2. Okay, now we will square both sides of equation 2. So squaring both sides of equation 2. What will be sin square A? Sin square A is equal to m square sin square B. We will name it as equation 3. Okay, now we will square both sides of equation 1. Squaring both sides of equation 1. What will be tan square A? Tan square A is equal to n square tan square B, right? N square tan square B. Clear? So now we can write it as tan square A, we can write it as sin square A by cos square A, and this we can write it as n square sin square B by cos square B, right? So now sin square A is equal to m square sin square B, so we will put, instead of sin square A we will put m square sin square B. So m square sin square B by cos square A is equal to n square sin square B by cos square B, and here we have to write using equation 3, right? So sin square B and sin square B will get cancelled. Clear? So now what will be? We will invert. Okay, we will apply invert into. So cos square A by m square will be cos square B by n square. So this cos square A by m square is equal to cos square B by n square, right? So this we can write as cos square A by m square is equal to cos square B, I can write it as 1 minus sin square B by m square, right? Sorry, not m square, it will be n square. Cos square B, I am writing it as 1 minus sin square B by n square. Clear? So now in the next step, what will you do? Cos square a by m square is equal to sin square b. In equation 3 we have done that sin square a is equal to m square sin square b. So I can write 1 minus sin square b, I can write it as sin square a by m square. So I will write it as sin square a by m square, right, whole divided by m square. And here we have to write using, we got this value sin square a by m, instead of sin square b we are writing that sin square a by m square. We got this value using equation 3, right? So now cos square a m square will be multiplied with this m square into 1 minus sin square a by m square whole divided by n square, right? So now we will do cos square a is equal to m square into 1 will be m square minus m square into sin square a by m square, right, whole divided by n square. So this m square and m square will get cancelled. So this will become m square minus sin square a by n square, right? So this we can write as m square minus sin square a, you can write it as 1 minus cos square a by n square, right? So now what will happen? This n square will be multiplied with the n square cos square a and become n square cos square a, right, is equal to m square minus 1 plus cos square a, right? So now n square cos square a, this cos square a will go from right hand side to left hand side, so minus cos square a is equal to m square minus 1. So now cos square a we will take common, so n square minus 1, right, is equal to m square minus 1. So cos square a is coming as m square minus 1 by n square minus 1, right? So this is our answer. So m square minus 1 by n square minus 1, this option number C is the correct answer. Clear? Thanks for watching.